folks! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's dive to the topic we are going to explore today. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Tired of the same old boring doors? Let's spice things up. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of door materials. From classic wood to modern metal, we'll explore the pros and cons of each and help you find the perfect door to elevate your home's style. So, grab a cup of coffee and get ready to be door-whelmed. Doors, often overlooked, play a pivotal role in both the aesthetics and functionality of a home. Their choice can significantly impact the overall ambiance and energy efficiency of a space. When selecting doors, material is a key factor to consider, as it directly influences durability, style, and maintenance requirements. Wood doors. 1. Durability. Renowned for their strength and longevity, especially when treated with proper care. Hardwood species like oak, mahogany, and cherry are particularly durable and resistant to wear and tear. 2. Aesthetics. Exude a classic, timeless charm that complements a wide range of interior styles. Wood doors offer a natural beauty and warmth that can enhance the overall aesthetic of a space. 3. Customization. Offer a high degree of customization, allowing them to be painted, stained, or carved to match individual preferences. From sleek and minimalist to ornate and traditional, wood doors can be tailored to suit any design style. 4. Maintenance. While requiring regular upkeep, including cleaning, sealing, and refinishing, their beauty and durability often justify the effort. Proper maintenance can help to prolong the life of wood doors and maintain their appearance. 5. Popular uses. Exterior doors, interior doors, main entryways, bedrooms, living rooms, and custom doors. 6. Cost. The cost of wood doors varies depending on the type of wood, size, and design. The cost per square foot can range from Rs 500 to Rs 2000 or more. Steel doors. 1. Durability. Known for their exceptional strength and resistance to forced entry, making them a popular choice for security-conscious homeowners. Steel doors are often reinforced with steel plates or frames, providing added protection against intruders. 2. Maintenance. Relatively low maintenance, requiring minimal cleaning and occasional touch-ups. Steel doors are generally resistant to rust and corrosion, making them a durable and long-lasting option. 3. Aesthetics. Offer a modern, sleek look that complements contemporary and industrial interior styles. Steel doors can be finished in a variety of colors and textures to suit different design preferences. 4. Popular uses: exterior doors, garage doors, and commercial doors. 5. Cost. Steel doors are generally more affordable than wood doors. The cost per square foot can range from Rs 300 to Rs 800. Fiberglass doors. 1. Durability. Highly durable and resistant to dents, scratches, and moisture, making them a practical choice for various applications. Fiberglass doors are made up of 2 layers of fiberglass skin, an insulated foam core, and a thick polyurethane frame. The core provides insulation and support, protecting it from damage. 2. Maintenance. Low maintenance, requiring occasional cleaning and sealing. Fiberglass doors are easy to clean and do not require refinishing. 3. Aesthetics. Available in a wide range of styles, including wood grain finishes and smooth surfaces. Fiberglass doors can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood or other materials. 4. Energy efficiency. Provide excellent insulation, helping to reduce energy costs. Fiberglass doors can help to keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. 5. Popular uses: exterior doors, garage doors, and patio doors. 6. Cost. Fiberglass doors are a mid-range option. Cost per square foot can range from Rs 400 to Rs 1200. Aluminum doors. 1. Durability. Lightweight yet durable, resistant to corrosion and weathering, making them a popular choice for exterior applications. Aluminum doors are often used in commercial buildings and modern homes. 2. Maintenance. low maintenance, requiring occasional cleaning and sealing. Aluminum doors are easy to clean and do not require refinishing. 3. Aesthetics. Offer a modern, sleek look that complements contemporary and industrial interior styles. Aluminum doors can be finished in a variety of colors and textures. 4. Energy efficiency. Can be energy efficient when paired with high-performance glass. Aluminum doors can be insulated to help reduce energy loss. 5. Popular uses. Exterior doors, patio doors, and commercial doors. 6. Cost. Aluminum doors are generally more affordable than wood doors, but more expensive than steel doors. The cost per square foot can range from Rs 500 to Rs 1,500. Glass doors. 1. Aesthetics. Provide natural light and a sense of openness, enhancing the ambiance of a space. Glass doors can create a bright and airy atmosphere in a room. 2. Maintenance. Require regular cleaning to prevent smudges and scratches. Glass doors should be cleaned regularly to maintain their appearance. 3. Privacy. Can be frosted or treated to provide privacy. Glass doors can be frosted or etched to create a more private space. 4. Popular uses: patio doors, French doors, and interior doors with glass panels. 5. The cost of glass doors varies depending on the size, style, and type of glass. The cost per square foot can range from Rs 1,000 to Rs 3,000 or more. Battened and ledge doors. 1. Battened and ledge doors. Battens are 100 mm to 150 mm wide and 20 mm thick wooden boards. Their length is that of door opening. The battens are connected by horizontal planks, known as ledges of size 100 to 200 mm wide and 30 mm thick. 2. Aesthetics. Offer a traditional rustic look that complements farmhouse and cottage-style homes. Battened and ledge doors have a classic, timeless design. 3. Durability. Durable when constructed with high-quality materials. Battened and ledge doors can be a durable option when made with solid wood. 4. Maintenance. Require regular cleaning and maintenance to prevent warping and rot. Battened and ledge doors should be inspected regularly and repaired as needed. 5. Popular uses: interior doors, barn doors, and garage doors. 6. Cost. The cost of battened and ledge doors varies depending on the type of wood, size, and design. The cost per square foot can range from Rs 800 to Rs 2,000 or more. Flush doors. 1. Aesthetics. A flush door describes a door set where the door face sits in line with the door frame. Simple, clean design that complements modern and contemporary interiors. Flush doors have a smooth, flat surface. 2. Durability. Durable when constructed with high-quality materials. Flush doors can be made with solid wood or hollow cores. 3. Maintenance. Low maintenance, requiring occasional cleaning. Flush doors are easy to clean and do not require refinishing. 4. Popular uses: interior doors, closet doors, and utility doors. 5. Cost. Flush doors are generally more affordable than solid wood doors. The cost per square foot can range from Rs 300 to Rs 800. Composite doors. 1. Composite doors usually have a solid timber core, but other materials such as UPVC, laminate, or even GRP, glass-reinforced plastic, also known as fiberglass, surround this. 2. Durability. Highly durable and resistant to moisture, insects, and rot. Composite doors are often made with a combination of wood fiber and plastic. 3. Aesthetics. Available in a wide range of styles and finishes. Composite doors can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood or other materials. 4. Energy efficiency. Provide excellent insulation. Composite doors can help to reduce energy costs. 5. Popular uses: exterior doors and patio doors. 6. Cost. Composite doors are a mid-range option. Cost per square foot can range from Rs 500 to Rs 1,100. When selecting a door, consider your personal style, budget, and the specific needs of the space. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can choose a door that enhances the beauty and functionality of your home.